smell of race fuel in the morning. That's my cup of coffee right there. Woo! Hey everybody, Greg and Dan back with another Sunday drive. It's Supercar Sunday and it's freaking raining. I checked in with the Facebook page that's for the group putting this on, and they say that they're on and they're a go. So we are not taking the S2K out in the rain. The S2K is grounded, rear wheel drive, manual, in the rain, new manual driver, new car to me. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to wreck a car on the way to Cars and Coffee. So we're out in the beater, which is not really a beater, but we're out in the beater.
We're in the hoopty.
We're in the hoopty, and we're going. So we're not taking a Honda out in the rain, but we're going to see Ferraris, McLarens, and Lambos in the rain. So a little bit of a social experiment today. We're gonna see and answer the question, do supercars come out in the rain? Is the supercar just a fair weather animal, or are these guys so hardcore that they'll be here? So is Cars and Coffee happening? Are there cars?
Yes.
We're no joke like 30th in line to get in right now. Look at, are there cars? I don't even know if you can see the line coming in, but we're like, it's on.
Someone.
Dudes are revving. So happy we're here. And I went out this year.
Take. Hey, what? We having a hurry.
Just 1 week ago, we, you, the city, and all the communities around it were shaken by a truly powerful force. We hope for good news.
We're still not entirely sure of the extent of this.
But the news only got worse.
It was the most terrifying moment any of us have ever spent in our lives.
with police and searching for the victims. Police wanted everybody out.
Yeah, so the crazy thing about this event is like cars just keep coming and going. So you can walk it and then walk it again in 20 minutes and there's like 4 or 5 new cars. So you gotta kind of hang out. You can't be like, oh, well, we saw it. Because then you leave and you're like, well, when that Bugatti show up?
Yeah.
You know? So it's a cool show. Yeah, there's constantly flow coming in and out of this place. So big, dude. again.
There's not one S2000 here.
No,
Not
there's
one.
not. There's more Aventador SVs than there are S2000s.
Correct.
Yeah. Let's see.
One moon to inspire these lights, one love to ignite our hearts, one song we'll be singing out loud. Oh, there's no stairway to the sky, but I believe it is a child. We'll fly, fly so high, no they can't make us calm down. Oh, let it go. Oh, let it go.
All right, so just coming out. Quick recap. Give me your top three.
I'm gonna go with the green 600 LT,
Nice car.
the Corolla,
It's amazing. Going right, going right. It's amazing that you say the green 600 McLaren LT, the McLaren L600 LT McLaren, and then the Corolla is
Yeah.
is the second car that comes to mind. And then number three,
SV.
SV.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going in no particular order. The Corolla, the 68 Camaro,
Yep.
and the Z06 with the chop.
Okay.
The answer to the question, do supercars come out in the rain?
Yeah.
They do. They do. And it wasn't just cars from the club or the people putting on the show. I mean, the guy rolled in an SV, right? Like
Yeah.
several 720S McLarens, a couple 600 Longtails, a 79 Toyota Corolla wagon, mint,
Yeah.
beautiful car, you know?
One of the nicest cars here.
But still a good turnout. Still a really good turnout. So thanks for coming along on another Cars and Coffee Sunday drive.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the next one. Hopefully we get some good weather and we can bring out the S2K and get here early like we had planned to do. And like Danny said earlier, all these cars, not one Honda S2000. And that makes Danny happy that he's part of an exclusive club.
Yeah.
So thanks for being with us today. Please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what we're doing well. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you don't like. Say hello. Let us know where you're from, where you're watching the videos. Helps keep us motivated to want to put out more content. Sometimes you get a little lazy, a little lackadaisical.
Yeah.
And the more views we get, the more comments we get, the more likes we get, the more subs we get, the more we want to do this. I mean, I would do it anyway, even if nobody was watching, but it's nice to know that people are watching. So thanks for watching. See you next time on Sunday Drive.
Peace.